welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Denise Latrice, and you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Love Me Hair. They sent your girl over this elegant brown ombre loose wave minimalistic HD lace glueless short wig, baby, and she is here to make a statement. All right, if you want to be bougie and elegant and classy and grown woman status all wrapped up in one, this is your unit. But before we get into the details and the nitty-gritty of this unit, we're gonna do a super quick install, and I'll be back with my final thoughts, details, and a coupon code. Alright y'all, so we're about to get into this gorgeousness right here. Y'all see this beautifulness right here? Y'all see it? Like, look at this gorgeousness. Like, the bounciness of this is giving me life. Like, this wig is already giving me life. I already know it's gonna be bomb. I'm excited to put this on, so let's go ahead and do so. But now you're drowning. Bam. Yes, this is bomb. This is hot. This is amazing, y'all. I can wear it just like this right out of the box. Like, yes, this is the type of unit you want to have in your wig rotation where you don't have to do a lot to it. All right, y'all. So let's get into the nitty gritty of this unit. Do y'all first. Let's talk about this lace. Like, y'all, this lace is amazing. Do y'all see it? This lace is amazing. Y'all cannot tell me that y'all see this lace. Like, honey, look at it. Look. Do y'all see it? Oh my god. Okay. Moving on. So what we're gonna do first is we're going to get my wax stick, and I am using the SNT wax stick off Amazon. I will leave the link down below if you are interested. And we're just gonna wax stick the front of this to get the flyaways out of the way. Next, I'm going to be using my hot comb. Got this off Walmart. If I can find this, I will link it down below as well. And we're just gonna touch up. First off, I want to put this wig back because I ain't trying to, I'm not trying to, you know, burn my forehead. So we're just going to do that just so we can get the flyaways from out the front of the unit. We ain't trying to do too much, not too much. Okay, pull this back down. All right, and I ain't even clip it. Let me clip it because that was like too easy to pull back. All right, that thing ain't going nowhere now. Okay, next I'm going to clip it because we're about to cut this lace. Where you been and where you hiding? Next, I'm going to be using my eyebrow razor to cut the lace. I'll do it right down the middle. But now you're drowning. I'm gonna be very careful because this lace is amazing, and I don't want to cut the hair. I have done that before because the lace is just so good. It's so transparent. Oof, that's beautiful. Bam, honey. Yes, we about done, honey. We about done. Like, this is so cute. Okay, do y'all see the hairline? The hairline is amazing as well. So we are going to wax stick the front of it so it can be like more flat. This unit does fit ear to ear, and it fits very comfortable on my head. It is not too tight, it's not too loose, but you do also have that adjustable band in the back. So if you need it to be looser or tighter, you do have the option to do that, which I absolutely love. So it is big head friendly. I should be dying to be like you, but I don't want to be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying. The hairline, I have not done anything to this hairline. This hairline looks amazing. But y'all, look at this. Like, I could just leave it as is, not doing anything to it. I could do it just like this. It looks so cute. But we're gonna brush it out. See how everything looks. Y'all see that bounce? Look at this. Wow. It has some bounce to this beauty. I'm gonna do a little curling because even though I like the bounce, I don't like how it's curling up over here like that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get my curling one and we're just gonna put a couple of curls in it. Nothing too extravagant. Like, this is an easy unit, and once I put these curls in it, we are good. We are done. Okay? We are done.
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water, but now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do.
Alright, y'all, so here she is. She is looking amazing. She is looking cute. Y'all can't tell me this is not elegant. Y'all can't tell me this ain't classy. Like, this is the bougie girl. Okay, she's a bougie girl. She is like the rich auntie type hair. Okay. She is gonna get all up in your face and tell you what you need to hear. Okay, she is here to tell you she's fabulous. Okay, she gonna tell you with all this gorgeous color going through it that she is elegant. Okay, she is class. She's all that. All right. It is lightweight, it is bouncy, it's flowy. I'm not getting any tangles in this unit, not getting any shedding. The curls are curling. It took heat very well and it just looks absolutely amazing. It frames the face very effortlessly. Like, this is a must-have. Y'all already know, glueless, baby, glueless. No glue at all, no adhesive. This is a great summer wig, vacation wig, wedding wig, any type of wig you want it to be. This is your unit. Okay, she is gorgeous. Just picture yourself in a sundress, just looking absolutely amazing. Okay, go to work in it, go to church in it. If you just want to lounge around the house, baby, she got you. Okay, so let's check out the back.
Where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water, but now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you.
Yes, baby, this is a keeper. This is a must-have. She is giving me life. Okay, she is giving me what it needs to give. Okay, if you're trying to get your life together, she gonna give you life. Okay, she is 100% drop dead gorgeous. She gonna make people turn heads, baby, because she is fabulous. Absolutely amazing. She's lightweight, she's big head friendly, and she's glueless. Triple thread. Okay. Back up out the way because it's a love me unit coming your way. All right. The lace is amazing. Y'all can't tell me that y'all see any lace. The hairline is pretty good. If you want to go in and do a little bit more plucky, you do have the option to do that, but this is a great take out the box, throw on and go type of unit. If you like it just how it is coming out of the box, you can wear it. As y'all saw, I put a little curl in it. It didn't take me no time to put this unit on. It is absolutely very easy, versatile type of unit. She got you right. She got me all together. I'm feeling myself right now. I'm feeling like I'm a bougie girl. Okay, well, I'm bougie anyway. But I'm ultra bougie today. All right, the highlight brown all up in here is very, very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. I'm liking how it is. The curls is just It's just amazing. This is grown woman status type of hair, okay? Alright, y'all, so before we get into the details of this unit, you know Love Me sent your girl over some goodies. They sent over an elastic band to help you lay your edges. They also sent over a baby hair brush comb combo, an elastic band wig grip, some wig caps, a cute Love Me hair pouch, bed to store your unit in as well. So let's get into the details of this unit, honey. This is a mature, elegant, loose wave bob, honey. All right, it is a mixed brown and black type of unit. You see all that gorgeousness flowing through it. Yes, this unit brightens your face, so it is perfect for spring, for summer. It's just absolutely gorgeous. It is a short length and it's lightweight. It doesn't feel like it's a lot of hair on my head. It is extremely lightweight and very flowy. It is an effortless and tangle-free unit, and it is extremely low maintenance. This is your perfect throw on and go type of unit. So let me tell you some more about this unit. It is 100% virgin human hair. It should last you 1 year or more depending on how you care for it. I am wearing this unit in 12 inches. The density on this unit is 180%. You don't see no thinness. It is very full, but it's lightweight at the same time. The hair color is a brown highlight. The hairline is pre-plucked. You can go in and plug it some more to your liking, but if you are a beginner, this is a perfect unit because it's already pre-plucked. This unit can be dyed, and it does have adjustable straps and an adjustable band as well to help you give you that glueless effect. It also comes with 3 combs, one on each side and one in the back. Glueless, you ask? Yes, it is 100% glueless. Yes, baby. Don't worry about glue or adhesive. Just throw this unit on and go. The lace is top Swiss lace. The lace area is minimalistic. It is a center part wig. And there you have it. I would like to thank Love Me Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you are interested in this gorgeous unit, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down there as well, so you can save those coins. And if you are interested in seeing what else Love Me Hair has to offer, make sure you check out the next video, and I'll see you over there.
Lately, I can hear it calling for you. You show me beauty and life. You put me first all the time.